Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pscreatex and I am the artist and founder of Pscreatex. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe for more such videos. It would help me grow. So as you all already know that Independence Day is around the corner, so I thought this Independence Day why not make fridge magnets, or in general if you know how to make fridge magnets or if you are looking for inspiration to make fridge magnets, this video would be very helpful for you all. So I've already showed all the supplies that I've used in the video, and now we will proceed with how to make the fridge magnets. So the main stationery item required to make the fridge magnets is the magnetic sheet. You can definitely check out the brand's magnetic sheet that I'm using, that is Craft Villa. On Amazon you will definitely get this and it's very useful, trust me guys. I have used it to make all of my fridge magnets at my home, and even I gift my friends the same. The tutorial is very simple. You just have to cut the piece out of whatever you want to make the fridge magnet for, and then you have to stick the magnetic sheet at the back of it, and it's super easy to use and it goes a very long way. Like I have a fridge magnet that I have sticked for like 2 years now and it's still there sticked at the fridge, so it's super affordable and super easy to use, I would say. Also, I'm planning to make photo fridge magnets. I think that's very artsy kind of thing because you can now stick your photographs even and make your fridge magnets look very beautiful. So I'm planning to make that next. So if you like this video, then do let me know in the comments if you want to see that video as well. So I will upload that very soon then. By the way, I hope you guys enjoy watching this tutorial and trying it on your own, and definitely let me know in the comments that you tried or tag me in your videos. I would love to see your creations. And yes, do let me know what all videos would you like to see next, or what all you would like to learn from me, because I would love to make what you all guys would say or recommend to me in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram where I keep myself very updated, so you all can check that out and follow me for more. Needless to say that I'm very grateful for all the 800 people subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I would love to see more of you joining and supporting me in my artistic journey. Lastly, a big thank you to everyone who watched this video till here. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Happy creating.